Hi, my name is Kate Zappitelli, and I serve as chair of our Alignment Institute. Over the course of my career, I've witnessed how hard it is to change, both personally and professionally. And yet, we live in a constantly evolving world that it requires leaders to embrace change. Our Alignment Institute solutions provide support for leaders and teams to let go of legacy mindsets that are no longer serving their organizations. When you go through our programs, you'll learn how to lead through influence and build your alignment skills. I've been so fortunate to see the people in our programs really lean into new ways of leading and have seen powerful shifts in what they do with their organizations and with their teams. I'm really excited as chair of our Alignment Institute to see the impact that we're having across leaders around the world. If you have any questions, I'd love to chat. Thank you.